in other places, the religion involved and revolves around two words, forget and forgive. It has different meanings. Forgetting, right? We will enjoy. Why we come to deity? For getting, right? But what she says, whatever I am giving you, you come to me for getting. Unless you take it for giving to others, the system will fail. Right? This is the system given by God. If you want abundance of happiness, see, God has created everything in this universe in abundance. There is no shortage of anything. No money shortage, nothing shortage, no petroleum, no energy, no shortage at all. Everything is in abundance. What about love? That's also in abundance. But the problem is we take only, not giving. Is one thing. Second thing, when I got my instruction, first instruction from Divine Mother in Kamakhya form in Guwahati, she appeared to me. I will tell you that thing. That's very important actually. Because to make that understand, you need some background. She asked me, what you want? I said, Mother, you have made me a guru. And I don't want to be an ordinary guru. Right? I was in business. I am qualified engineer. I have family. All my kids are doctor, engineer, CA, CPA. Nothing missing for me. I belong to a Jamindar family. There is nothing wanting in my life. I said, Mother, you gave me this post of a guru. And guru's post is highest in the world. Mother, I want that it should be justified. Right? This post. She said, all right, what you want? I asked her, you give some such information to me so that the whole world learns everything in very short thing. She gave me 3 sentences. Try to repeat, the meaning will come automatically. The first sentence she gave, last year also I told, every time I tell, but people forget. Because you know why you are supposed to be here? For getting. It has many meanings. If I speak on forget, forgive, for hours we will enjoy. Anyway, so the first instructions he is giving is, try to forgive even enemies. What's he saying? Try to forgive even enemies. Again, he has 2 meanings. Forgive, maaf karo. Forgive, trying to give even to enemies good things. Right? But problem with us is we are not forgiving anybody. We are not able to forgive even our mothers, parents, kids, brothers, countrymen, others. So this is the biggest mistake. So to understand that forgiveness, because religion has 10 symptoms, धर्म के 10 लक्षण हैं, धर्म ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The first symptom is forgiveness quality, right? What is first quality of the religious person or the religion? Forgiveness. That's why Jesus says, Father, forgive them. Whom he is asking to forgive? Those who crucified him. And we are not ready to forgive anyone. Even somebody did something for you for 12 years. One day by chance some mistake was done, you will not forgive. So to understand that thing, we need knowledge or blessings of Saraswati, Divine Mother Saraswati. And she is represented in the seed letter of M. That is first letter of Navan Mantra. What is that? M. And how it forms? A plus E in our Hindi alphabets or Devanagari script or Sanskrit. A plus E when combined together it becomes A. When it goes with expansion, it becomes M. And when we close it with this spot bindi, dot, it becomes ang. It means complete knowledge of these alphabets, right? Starting from A with expansion of energy. E means energy. The way Shiva says, Parvati, Tav Shakti Yukto Aham Shivo Aham Anatha Shavo Aham. If you are with me, your energy, I am Shiv. Otherwise, I am Shav, dead. Right? So we are not dead. Complete knowledge process goes on learning. The learning process starts with the letter Ang. So that is the first letter Ang in Navan Mantra. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Now comes second seed letter. That is Reem. HREEM. Right? The first one was AIM, you can say. So, second one is when you read complete Durga Saptati, there you will find complete description is there for that mantra. By Hrim mantra, the seed letter for Bhuneshwari. For? What is Bhuneshwari? Bhu plus 1 plus Ishwari. Bhu means complete earth. Right? 1 means all the forest. At whatever we can see. The ruling deity for all these is Bhuneshwari. And there are actually 14 Bhuvans. 3 lok, 14 Bhuvan. What are those 14 Bhuvans? Our mind has 2 levels, conscious, subconscious. At each level there are 7 levels. And all these 14 Bhuvans are called 14 Gayatris to Gayatri Mantra. Right? To lead that all places with knowledge, I mean with Saraswati, because unless Saraswati there, knowledge will not be there, you cannot be taken anywhere. So that seed letter comes through Hrim. Right? H means space, Akash. R means fire element, eagerness, awareness, trying to learn. So this is Bhuneshwari seed letter. And this is the real pranav for Devi. Durga का प्रणव क्या है? Hrim. ओम प्रणव गणेश का है, विष्णु का है, शिव का है. दुर्गा का क्या है? Hrim. So this is second letter. Aim, Hrim. Then comes third one, Klim. Klim means the desire beej. It's called calm beej. Means whatever desires are coming in our life. But when we talk of desires, no demonic desires. Because when we are okay with Saraswati, whatever desires will come to us, they will be only proper one. Right? But since we are living in the material plane, desires must be fulfilled. So to fulfill that, the seed letter that comes is called Klim. Right? So Aim, Hrim, Klim, these are the 3 formats of Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. Because Bhuneshwari is being represented by Mahalakshmi, Klim by Kali, and Aim by Saraswati. So these 3 letters are for these 3 major deities. So working with them, Chamundayai. Chamunda, Chand Ghati Cha. Chamunda means whenever the Chand or Mund are appearing in our body, right? In our thought, they must be finished. So that's why the Cha letter has been selected. Chamundayai. Which means, in nutshell, to know about all these. Mother, I want to know all these so that I can be exactly like you. This is the not very exact meaning, but in short time, and your level is also not too much elevated. But in nutshell, being equipped with the divine forces of Saraswati, Bhuneshwari, Kamakhya, means seed letter, desires, and to be equipped with finishing power of all the destructive demons, we should be one with you. This is the meaning of Aim, Hrim, Klim, Chamundayai, Vichyaid. Clear? Okay? Further, if you want, you can mail me or you can meet me. I can explain many things together. And one thing I tell you, there are few books in Hindi, of course being translated in English also. The first book will be released in English in Navratri. That is about life problems. Causes and remedies to life problems. Why life problems? So these English books also you can have. Hindi also you can have. Gradually, books are being translated in other languages also. So that's all for today. We will always keep on smiling. Okay?